So how can you record a voice on your Keynote on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So whenever you are inside of your Keynote presentations as usual, right? You can of course just open it up, go to the editing process or whatever, but in order to add the voice or record a voice, tap on the image icon right above it, right? So it kind of looks a little bit different because we're tapping on the image, but one of the media folder there, we have the record audio button. So you can tap on it like that. You can see a completely different page is going to appear. So I can click on the record button at the bottom. I can start speaking whenever I want, then tap on stop, then preview it once again to make sure it's all right. I can also click on the edit button in the bottom right corner to kind of trim it down and cut out the parts I don't need. But once I'm happy with the result, I can click on insert in the top right corner, and this will then be part of my presentation there. So you can see that I can easily add the voice. I can just speak over the things and perhaps explain it, add the audio right there. Keep in mind, however, that you also have the ability to not just record it right away, but if you have it pre-recorded and saved in the files, you can also go to the media and click on insert from, and also just bring in the voice recording or different audio from the files app like this. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.